I'm gonna show you 10 tricks to edit your short form videos like a pro. For this video we will use the Filmora, allowing us to easily create epic videos on the go. To download it for free, visit the link in the description of this video. You will learn how to create an awesome glitch intro, how to use AI to generate music for your videos and sound effects like this one. I will also share more handy tricks to boost your short videos, like adding a progress bar and other cool tricks. So let's start with the first tutorial. First, I will show you how to create a glitch intro. Open the Filmora app, tap New Project and add 2 videos. For this tutorial you need to record 2 scenes, one empty and one with you in it. Tap on the second video and then select the track switching option. Now position the video on the timeline as I did. Split the video into 2 parts like this, then select the Smart Cutout option for the first video. Now select Customize Cutout and then tap on the Portrait option. You can also use the brush if you want to highlight a specific part of the video. When you're done, select backward all frames and wait for the process to complete. Now go back and select the in animation you like. Try using this animation, it will make your video look really good. Save, then go back and click Effect. Now in the Glitch tab select this effect and add it to the timeline. Align it with the first clip and remove the part you don't need like I did. Click on the object option and then select Picture in Picture. After that, the effect will be visible only on the video you selected. To make the video even better, you can add another glitch effect for the background video. Now align it with the first video. The next step to make your short videos better is to add sound effects. Click the Audio tab, then click Sound Effects. Go to the Glitch tab and choose the effect you like. Now align it with the first clip, then click on Volume, adjust it and add Fade in. After editing, your video should look like this. This is the easiest way to replace the sky in your videos. The next trick is how to add text behind the person. Click on the Text tab and add your text, then choose the font you like. Now position it as you prefer, after that select in and out animations. Align the text with your video and then export the video. Now you need to click on New Project and select the video you exported and the original video. After that, click on the Import button. Click on the original video and then select the track switching option. Align the videos, then go to Smart Cutout and remove the background. Now mute the volume of the original video and after that your video should look like this. Now I will show you how to create zoom effects. Click on your video and then add a keyframe at the point where you want the zoom animation to start. After that, enlarge the video at the point where you want the zoom animation to end. You can also position the video as you like. To create zoom out animation, first add a keyframe. After that, at the point where you want the zoom animation to end, return the video to its original position. This is what my zoom in and zoom out animations look like now. The text-to-speech feature can be very useful for your short videos if you don't want to record voiceovers. Now, I will show you how to use it. First, you need to add your text. After that, select the text-to-speech feature. Here you can select a category you like. Inside you will discover fantastic voices perfect for your videos.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare.
Once you've chosen voice, click the Create button and wait for the process to complete. Now my video sounds like this.
First, open the Filmora app, tap on New Project and select the video you want to edit.
If you're struggling to find the right music for your videos, AI Audio feature can help you. Click the Audio tab, then select AI Audio. Now select the mood and theme that best suits your video. After that, set the music duration to match the duration of your video and select the number of generated music. Click Generate button and wait for the process to complete. Then you can choose the music you like to use for your video. Click the plus button and then align the music with your video. After that, you can adjust the volume and add fade in and fade out. After using this amazing feature, my video sounds like this. This is the easiest way to replace the sky in your videos. First, open the Filmora app, tap on the new project and then select the video you want to edit. The next trick to make videos better is transitions. Click on this button and you will find a bunch of cool transitions. My favorites are the cinematic transitions. Choose the one you like and then set the duration to your preference. After that, I will show you how to create AI sound effect for your transition. Click the Audio tab, then select AI Audio. After that, select AI Sound and describe the sound effect you want to create. Click the Generate button and then add the sound effect to the timeline and match it to the transition. After using this tool, my transition looks much better. In your videos. First, open a progress bar helps you see how much content is remaining until the end of the video. Swipe right to find the Progress tab and click on it. The progress bar will be added automatically. You can also optionally mark specific parts for separate progress bars. Below, you can easily add a short description of your progress bar or leave it empty. In the Style tab, you can add images, choose a style and color for your progress bar. Position it, then adjust the size of the text, and after that you can save. This is how the progress bar looks in my video. This is the easiest way to replace the sky in your videos. First, open the Filmora app, tap on the new project and then select the video you want to edit. To enhance the appearance of your video, I recommend adding B-roll footage. Click on the plus button and then you can add videos or photos from your device, or search in the stock tab for photos on a specific topic. When you find the photo you want to add, click the Import button. Enlarge the image to fit the background and then you can create a keyframe animation. Position it like I did, then add a keyframe at the beginning, after that move the image at the end. Now select the track switching option. Position the B-roll to a specific part of the video and then add fade in and fade out animations. This trick can make any video look professional. Now my video looks like this. Process to complete. After editing, my video looks like this. If you want to create short-form videos quickly and easily, text-to-video feature will help you with that. You will find this tool on the homepage of the Filmora app. Here you can find inspiration for your videos. You can change this text or add your own text about what kind of video you want this tool to create. Describe in detail the video you would like AI to create. Then click the Settings button where you can adjust other settings. Here you can select the aspect ratio, duration, music, and you can also choose the voice you like.
Wondershare Creativity Simple.
Wondershare.
Now click Confirm and then click Generate button. After that, select Keywords, then click Generate Video. Wait for the process to complete and AI will create video for you. Here is a video made with this tool.
Welcome to our video, highlighting the best places to visit in Europe. With its rich history, breathtaking landscapes, and vibrant cultures, Europe offers an array.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to visit the link in the description to download Filmora app.